Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to discuss about data science internal third question paper solution. So let us begin. Section 1 is of MCQ type, one correct answer for each question. Question 1 is which paradigm of data research involves asking what problems can be solved given some data. So data driven paradigm is used for such kind of data research. Unstructured data cannot be easily stored in tables. It cannot be stored easily in tables. The probability of an event E is calculated as a sum of probabilities of outcomes in E. In descriptive statistics, which measure is useful for skewed distribution or data with outliers. For outliers, geometric mean, arithmetic mean, or mode cannot be used. So median will be our answer. That is the option C for question number 4 is correct. Question number 5. During data cleaning, artifacts are referred to as systematic problems that can be corrected. So question number 5 has answer B as the correct one. Feature engineering for discrete data includes scaling, binning, one-hot encoding, or log transform. Scaling, binning, and log transform are used for continuous data, not discrete data. So one-hot encoding is the correct answer. Next question. The normal distribution follows the 80-20 rule. No. For binomial, it is used 68, 95, 99.7. Yes, it is the correct answer. So first question number 7, B will be the correct answer. Question number 8. In modeling, the error term E consists of reducible and irreducible error. So for question number 8, answer will be C. Question number 9. Occam's razor suggests choosing the simplest model with equal performance. So answer B will be the correct answer for question number 9. Parametric models risk. In parametric model, we first make an assumption, then we perform our operation. So if we make wrong assumption, it may lead to bad result. So option number B will be correct for question number 10. For question number 11, it is asking for classification evaluation precision is true positive divided by the total number of positive assumptions or predictions made in our uh, trial and error method, in our methods. So option number B, true positive divided by true positive plus false positive will be the correct answer. Question number 12. In linear regression, coefficients are found using minimizing the residual sum of squares of errors. That is, the option B will be the correct answer for question number 12. Now let's move to the next question. Logistic regression predicts numerical values. No, it is predicted by linear regression. Probabilities using sigmoid. Yes, it predicts the probabilities using sigmoid. So option number B will be the correct answer for question number 30. Question number 14 asks Euclidean distance in Minkowski with k is equal to 2. So option number B for question number 14 is correct. Next, question number 15 asks k-mean clustering assigned observation to the closest centroid. So option number B is again correct for question number 15. Decision trees are prone to underfitting. No. High bias. No. Low variance. No. Overfitting. Overfitting is the correct answer. So option number B for question number 16 is correct. In neural networks, activation function introduced non-linearity in our program. So in the neural networks. So the option B, non-linearity, is correct for question number 17. Next, question number 18. Hadoop's HDFS provides high throughput data access as it is a kind of distributed file system. So option number B is correct for Hadoop's HDFS. Or question number 18. Question number 19 is asking in SQL to combine rows from two tables based on related columns. What method we use? We use a join clause in such a situation. Select is used to display, where is used to use set a given condition and display records based on some condition. But join is used to combine rows from two tables. Next, question number 20 is asking Python's DQ supports. DQ refers to doubly ended queue. So they support both append and pop from both the ends. So option number B will be the correct answer for question number 20. Next, we now come to the section 2. In this section, we will deal with multiple correct answer for a particular question. The question 21 is asking the following are the types of data mentioned in dataset. Structured, yes. Unstructured, yes. Quantity and category, these are also types of data. So option A will be the correct, JKLN. Question number 22 gives some probabilities concept. The following the probabilities concept. Independent, if it's yes, it is Bayes theorem, is also expected value, it is also variance is equal to C. No, it is a kind of statistical concept. So option A, JK and L will be the correct one. Question number 23 is asking the following are data cleaning methods for missing values. Drop records, yes. Mean value imputation, yes. Nearest neighbor, no. Nearest neighbor is also used. Outlier detection, no, it is not used for data cleaning. So option number A, J, K, and L is used. Let's move to the question number 24. In question number 24, it is asking the following are modeling philosophies. Occam's razor, yeah, selecting the simplest model with equal performance. Bias variance trade-off, it is also kind of modeling philosophy. No free lunch theorem, yeah, it is also modeling philosophy which suggests that no particular model is the best model and we have to try each and every model and find which one is best. Nate Silver, it is also kind of modeling philosophy. So all four other kinds of model, J, K, L, and M will be the answer. Option number A for question number 24 is correct. For question number 25, the following a decimal method. Manhattan is also Euclidean, also cosine is also KL diverges for probabilities. Yes. So J, K, L, and M will be our answer for that is the option A for the question number 25. Let's move to the next section, that is matching time stimulus, where we have to match the uh, options in column 1 to the correct options in column 2. First question is asking match the distribution column 1 with the key property column 2. Binomial expected variance and V and variance and V. So A will be matched with first, B will be matched with second. Power law always gives long tails and Pareto is based on a Pareto principle. So option A, A with match with first, B with second, C with third, and D fourth. Option A will be correct. For question number 27, match the terms in column 1 with the definition in columns 2. Reducible error refers to those errors that can be minimized by better techniques. Irreducible refers to the error that cannot be reduced. So A will be matched with third and B will be matched with first. That will be our option A. Only option A correct this matchings. So A will be the correct answer for question number 27. Now question number 28 asks match the ML algorithm in column 1 with the characteristics in column 2. Linear regression. It predicts a numerical value and minimizes the residual sum of squares. So A will be matched with third. Next, logistic regression. It predicts the probabilities and it uses a sigmoid function. So B will be matched with 4. A with third and B with 4. A with third and B with 4. So option A is correct for this. Next, we have given some big data tool in column 1 and we have to match its function in column 2. HDFS, it is a kind of distributed file system. So A with second. Map reduce, it is a parallel processing paradigm. We know it. Parallel processing paradigm. Yarn is a kind of method used for job scheduling and resource management. So A with second, B with third, and C with first. A second, B third, and C first. So A will be the correct answer for this. Next. Now we enter in the section 4, which is of assertion reason time. For question number 30, there is an assertion. Correlation does not imply causation. Yeah, it is true. Reason, it measures degree of relationship, but not the cause effect. Yes, it is totally true. And it's a correct reason for assertion. So option A is correct, both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of question number 31. Gradient descent uses learning rate alpha for step size. Yes, it is true. Reason, it minimizes cost in linear regression. Yeah, because the step size will determine whether the cost will be high or it will be low. So assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct reason is the correct explanation of A. That is the option A is correct. Question number 32 asking neural networks are universal approximator. Yes, true. They can approximate any complex function with enough layer. Yeah, it is also a true fact. So assertion and reason are both true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Option number A is correct. Now, number 33, in SQL, join combines rows based on related column. That is our assertion. And reason is that it handles data from multiple tables. Yeah, we are join clause is used to join rows from two different tables based on the related columns. So option A is correct. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now we have entered in the section 5. In this section, we have to find the correct sequence or order of the given algorithms in the questions. Question number 34. Arrange the steps in the k-fold cross validation in the correct order. First, we divide the data into k folds, then we try on k minus 1 and validate on 1. Repeat k times and average error. Yeah, so option A is correct. Next, arrange the gradient descent algorithm in the correct order. First of all, we up no, no. We first of all choose the learning rate alpha, then we compute the gradient value, then we update the parameters, and then finally repeat until convergence. So our answer will be A, LJKM. Next, question number 36. Arrange the k-mean steps in the correct order. First of all, we do some random initial assignments. Then we compute the new centroid. Uh, uh, Random initial assignment, compute a new centroid, then assign to the closest centroid, and finally iterate until no change occurs. So KJLM, that is our option B will be correct. Arrange the map reduce process in the correct order. Map process the data to key value, yes, then shuffle and sort, yes, aggregate and output the result. So option A is correct, JKL and M. Arrange the neural network training in the correct order. First we do forward propagation and compute the loss value. Then we perform back propagation on the data in the neural network, and finally we update the weights of the nodes in the neural network. So option A is correct, JKLM. Next, question number 39 is asking for arranging the PCA steps in the correct order. First we perform or standardize the data, perform data standardization, then compute the covariance matrix, yes, then find eigenvectors and project the data. So JKLM, that is our option is correct for this. And question number 40 is asking arrange the Hadoop component in data flow in the correct order. First we perform HDFS storage, yarn scheduling, then we perform map reduce processing, and finally output the HDFS. So option A is correct for this also. Thank you very much for listening.